Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fikri Satria Wijaya. I'm from University Bina Sarana Informatika, and today I would like to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. Before I start, let me ask you a question. Have you ever seen someone smoking carelessly around the campus? Or maybe near the classroom, the parking area, or even in the hallway? Yes, I think most of us have seen that before. Smoking has become a common problem in many universities, including ours, even though our campus already has a rule that says smoking is not allowed in any area of the campus. Some students still ignore it. They smoke near classroom, in the parking lot, or behind the buildings. Some even use vapes or electric cigarette inside the campus area. In my opinion, this is something that we need to discuss seriously because smoking doesn't only disturb other people, it also affects our health, the cleanliness of the environment, and the image of our university. Firstly, let's talk about how smoking affects other people. The smell of cigarette smoke is very strong and unpleasant. For those who don't smoke, it can be really disturbing. Imagine you're sitting and studying, and suddenly the wind brings the smell of the smoke. It's uncomfortable, right? But more than that, the smoke is not just annoying. It also dangerous. When someone smokes near us, we inhale the same smoke they produce. This is called secondhand smoke. And according to many health studies, it can cause serious diseases like asthma, coughing, or even lung problems if we are exposed often. So even if we don't smoke, our health can still be harmed by those who do. Our campus actually tries to maintain a clean and healthy environment. That's why there is no special smoking area provided. It's because the rule is very clear. Smoking is completely prohibited in the entire campus area. However, some students still break the rule. They think it's okay to smoke for a short time outside the class or while waiting for their friends, but they might not realize that what they do still affect others nearby. Sometimes the smoke enters the classroom or the hallways, making other students uncomfortable. Also, smoking creates stress problem. Cigarette butts throw on the ground, making the campus look dirty. We all want a clean, beautiful campus, right? So, keeping the campus smoke-free is part of keeping it clean. So, what can we do about it? First, I believe the university should remind students more often about the no smoking rule, maybe through poster, announcement, or campaigns about health. Second, as a student, we should also have self-awareness and respect. If someone wants to smoke, they can do outside in the campus area. Inside the campus, we must follow the rule and think about others' comfort. We can also remind our friends politely. For example, if we see someone smoking near the class, we can say, "Hey, let's go outside. Smoking here isn't allowed." It may sound simple, but I can make a big difference. Personally, I think having a smoke-free campus makes our environment much better. It shows that students care about health, discipline, and respect. I feel more comfortable studying and hanging out when the air is clean and fresh. I hope one day no one will smoke in the campus area again, not because they are afraid of punishment, but because they truly understand the importance of a healthy environment. So, to conclude, smoking in the campus area should be avoided completely. It's not only against the rules, but it also harms others, damages our healthy, and makes the campus environment worse. Let's all work together to make our university a clean, healthy, a smoke-free place. We can start from ourselves by respecting the rules and thinking about other people's comfort. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day and stay healthy, everyone. Hello, now let's move to the second part of my video, my grammar presentation. Today I will explain about the simple present tense. Firstly, what is simple present tense? The simple present tense is a verb tense used to describe action that happen regularly or repeatedly, every day, every week, show habit or routines, express facts or general truths, sometimes describe feeling, thoughts, or states. When to use it? We use it to talk about habits. I brush my teeth every morning. Daily routines. She studies at night. Fact or truths. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Schedule. The class starts at 8 a.m. Formula of the simple present tense. Subject plus verb 1 plus s or es for he, she, it plus object. Example, I play football. He plays football. She reads a book every night. I play football. I subject. Play as verb 1 and football object. He plays football. He subject. Play verb 1. Verb 1 plus s for he and football is object. He plays football. And then negative form. To make a negative sentence, use do not, don't, or does not, doesn't before the verb. Use do not, don't for I, you, we, they. Use does not, doesn't for he, she, it. Example, I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't, and he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. Structure, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Example, I don't like coffee. They don't go to campus on Sunday. He doesn't smoke in the classroom. She doesn't watch TV every day. Interrogative sentence. Use do or does at the beginning of the sentence. Structure, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example, do you study English every day? Does she go to campus by bus? Do they play badminton on Sunday? Adverb of frequency. Common adverb used in simple present tense. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Example, I always bring my laptop to class. She never eat breakfast. We sometimes study together at the library. Be careful. Don't forget to s or es for he, she, it. Example, he play guitar. He play guitar. No add s because for he add s or es. He plays guitar. But when using does not, the s or es is removed. He doesn't play guitar. Summary of simple present tense. Add s or es for he, she, it. Use do or does not for negative sentence. Use do or does at the beginning for question. Often used with adverb, always, usually, sometimes, never. Thank you. My name is Fikri Satria Wijaya. My name 17250358. My class 17.1a.25.